All right, time to do your math homework. All right, homework 2.7. Get your name on this paper if you haven't yet already. And let's get started. We're converting units of time this evening. We're going to use these measurement scales here to help you with some of these questions. If we're looking at number 1, we're going from hours to minutes. So we're going to use this bottom measurement scale here, the ones that goes from hours to minutes. So if you look here, 1 hour is 60 minutes. So if we're looking to see how many minutes there are in 4 hours, we're going to go here, 4 hours, and that equals to 240 minutes. If we're going 8 hours, that's 480 minutes. If we're going to 11 hours, what? We only go up to 10. How are we going to solve that? All right, well, if we go with 10 hours, that's 600 minutes. And if we go another hour, that would make it 10 plus 1 is 11 hours, plus 60 minutes in an hour. That would be a total of 660 minutes. There you go. All right, for number 2, you're going to be using this scale up here. We're going from minutes to seconds, so we're going to use this scale here where that goes from minutes to seconds. 1 minute is 60 seconds. 5 minutes, that would be 300 seconds. 10 minutes is 600 seconds. And again, 20 minutes, not on our scale, but we know that if 10 minutes is 600 seconds, then we can just double 600 because if we double 10, we get 20. So if we double 600, we'll get 1,200. All right, on to question 3. This is a number story. Let's read it through. Zach worked on his spelling for 9 minutes last night and 8 minutes this afternoon. How many seconds did he work? So we have to start and add our minutes together. 9 minutes plus 8 minutes is 17 minutes. Most 4th graders who are wanting to rush through their homework will write 17 here and think that's their answer. But we don't do that at our school. So we know that we need to take our minutes and convert them into seconds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down our minutes so that I can use our scale up here. I said that 17 minutes is 10 minutes plus 7 minutes. If I go back up to our scale, I know that in 10 minutes there are 600 seconds. This here would equal 600 seconds. And if I go back to our scale up here, I know that 7 minutes is 420 seconds. So 7 minutes is 420 seconds. So when I add those up together, I know that my answer is 1,020 seconds. So I'm just going to transfer my answer here. 1,020 seconds. All right, let's look at question 4. Eaton's baby sister took a nap for 2 hours and 22 minutes yesterday and 1 hour and 35 minutes today. How many more minutes did she sleep yesterday than today? So yesterday, sorry, looks like we're out of focus here. Get that better. Okay, that's a little better. So yesterday, she slept a total of 2 hours and 22 minutes. And today, she rested for 1 hour and 35 minutes. So I need to convert all my hours and minutes into minutes because they're asking us for how many minutes. So I'm going to take my hours and I'm going to convert those into minutes. So 2 hours I know is 120 minutes. And if you forgot, you can look up here on your scale. 2 hours is 120 minutes plus the 22 extra minutes for a total of 142 minutes. That's how much she slept yesterday. Today, she slept for an hour, which I know. I go up here. An hour is 60 minutes. And add that to the 35 extra minutes. So that would be a total of 95 minutes. So now they're asking, going back to the question, how many more minutes did she sleep yesterday than today? Well, yesterday she slept for 142 minutes, and today she slept for 95. And when I see the words how many more, I know that I need to subtract. So I'm going to subtract 142 minutes from 95 minutes. So I need 2 take away 5. I cannot do that, so I need to trade. I'll use a different color here. So I'm going to trade from the 10s to get me 3. So that becomes 12. 12 take away 5 is 7. 3 take away 9. Zoom in here to my work. 3 take away 9. Cannot do that, so you need to trade from the hundreds. That'll be left with 0. This now becomes 13. 13 tenths. Take away 9 tenths is 4. So she slept 47 more minutes yesterday than she did today. There we go. Let me get that in focus. See if you can see that better. All right. All right. The try this asks you, how many seconds did Ethan's baby sister sleep altogether? Well, I know if she slept a total of, well, we're going to have to go back to our problem. She slept 147 minutes yesterday, 95 minutes today. So we're going to add those two together. 142 minutes plus 95 for today. Add those together. 5 plus 2 is 7. 9 plus 4 is 13. Carry the 1. 1 times 1 is 2. So that's a total of 237 minutes. Now we need to convert that into seconds. I know that if there are 60 seconds in a minute, I need to multiply 237 times 60. So, okay, so I got another paper and I'm going to start working out 237 times 60. So I'm going to use a method called lattice multiplication. And I just took 237 and I made times 60 and I made a 3 by 2 array, 237 times 60. And then I'm going to take my boxes, split them in half, and create what I call a diagonal. And by the way, you're going to learn lattice multiplication later on in 4th grade, a little further in depth, but this is just kind of a preview. So I took all my boxes and I split them in half, making my diagonals that go across the boxes like this. And then I basically just do the multiplication problem, the small multiplication problem that each box is asking for. So I go 7 times 6, there's a different color here to show you, that's 42. 3 times 6 is 18. 2 times 6 is 12. With me so far? 2 by 6, 12. 3 by 6 is 18. 7 times 0, we know, is 0. So I'm going to just put zeros in both boxes. 3 times 0 again is also 0, so the zeros are here. 2 times 0 is also 0, so I'm putting zeros here. Okay, now I'm just going to add my diagonals. So I'm going to make my diagonals a little thicker to show you which way I'm adding. Squeaky marker, sorry about that. Okay, so I'm going to add my 0. There's nothing else to add to, so that's 0. 2 plus 0 plus 0 is 2. 4 plus 8 is 12. So I'm going to put my 2 down here. I'm going to carry the little 1 up here to my next column. 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4. And then 1 here. And voila, there you go, is your answer. Your answer is 1, 4, 2, 0, sorry, 2, 2, 0. 1, 4, 2, 2, 0. So 14,220. And that, my friends, is how you do lattice multiplication. But back to our problem here, the homework. So our answer to how many seconds did Ethan's baby sleep altogether? Well, it's 14,220. All right, practice down below here is just some basic adding. I think we're going to have you do those on your own, and we'll check it over in class tomorrow. But if you have any questions, please don't hesitate. Come see me, and I can further help you along. Have a good night.